What do companies like Nike, Ernst & Young, Booking.com, and the Home Depot have in common? Seemingly nothing, but all four of these businesses, and plenty of your other favorite brands, have had to adapt to serve their customers digitally. Some of these companies were even founded well before the emergence of the personal computer, the internet, or smartphones. But today, the primary way their customers experience their product, whether that product is anything from shoes to insurance, is through a web or a mobile application. According to Salesforce, in 2022, 88% of B2B customers agreed that the experience a company provides is equally as important as its product or services. More than ever, that experience is largely shaped by customers' interactions with a business's apps or digital products. Take LabCorp as an example. LabCorp operates one of the largest clinical laboratory networks in the world and was founded over 40 years ago. Today, it has a software application that supports millions of customers' interactions a day. The LabCorp patient app allows patients to view lab results, schedule their next appointment, manage health information, and more, all from their phone or tablet. LabCorp wasn't founded as a software company, but it's had to evolve to meet the needs of the people it serves. So what does this mean for product managers? For starters, if you're looking for your first or next product manager role, don't limit your search to just tech companies. Plenty of what we might think of as traditional companies have software applications and need product managers to work on them too. If you work as a product manager at one of these large enterprise-scale organizations, you're also going to face some nuances in addition to the challenges we covered in the previous lesson. First, these businesses operate at massive scale. They have millions of users, a global user base, and many different audiences and digital products. This makes a segmented approach to building and bringing products to market crucial. Depending on what your focus area is, you as the product manager will need to hone in on the specific segment or segments that matter most for growth. Second, these businesses operate in very established markets. So the way product organizations at these companies make decisions and allocate resources doesn't have much wiggle room. There is an emphasis on building for the addressable market and in ways that will grow revenue in clearly defined areas. This doesn't mean that innovation is obsolete, but rather it's about delivering products and features that will impact long-standing revenue streams. Finally, as a product manager, there's always going to be a glaring focus on ROI and the bottom line, especially if you work at a traditional business. These product teams are hyper-focused on how they're allocating resources and what the ROI will be for what they're building. It's not just about how users feel about a new feature, but rather, are they going to pay money for it, or are they going to churn? The good news is that if you're currently a product manager, or want to be a product manager at a large traditional business, this certification course is still for you. The fundamentals covered throughout the course apply to product management at any company, and the product management lifecycle is rooted in the idea of aligning product work to business outcomes and ROI.